In this video, I'm going to show how to buy Robux with Cash App. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Let's start by logging in to your Roblox homepage. Once there, click on Robux at the top of the page. Choose the desired amount of Robux to purchase. For this tutorial, I'll go with 400. Now, let's add the payment method to proceed with the Robux purchase. To choose the Cash App for this transaction, you need the cash card. Obtain a cash card by opening Cash App, clicking on the card icon at the bottom, and following the steps to get your free debit card. Note that you must be at least 13 years old to acquire one. Once you receive your Cash App cash card, activate it first by going back to the Cash App home screen, then click on the card icon below. Click on the Activate Card button here and follow the steps to activate your Cash App card. Once your cash card is activated, return to Roblox. Select Debit Card and input the details of your cash card. Follow the necessary steps and complete the purchase to acquire the Robux. And that is how to buy Robux with Cash App. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.